Grandpa, why do you always save your half-smoked cigarettes?
Because I'm a cheap old bastard.
Well, can I have a puff?
Can your dick touch your ass?
No.
Alright then.
Grandpa, is that beer?
Yes, sirree.
Can I have a sip?
Can your dick touch your ass?
No.
Alright then. What's that?
Fruit Loops?
Can I have some?
Can your dick touch your ass?
No. I mean, yes.
Then go fuck yourself.
That's it.